everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a data analyst in Adent Analytics. Today in this video, we will talk about Git integration and version control within Power BI. So in the world of software development, version control is a crucial aspect of managing and tracking changes to code and other project assets. But how this can be helpful in Power BI reports or when we work with Power BI? Let's suppose we are working on a Power BI report or any other project and there is a team working on it, and let's suppose the team consists 4 or 5 members who has different tasks to work on that report. So this can be helpful to track the changes made by different members, and let's suppose the team has decided to made a change in a report but the client or higher management want previous version of that report. So you don't have to make the changes again in the report, you can simply revert back to that report. We will discuss all the benefits of that Git integration further in this video. So Microsoft Fabric has now integrated Git, which is a popular distributed version control system, and it allows Power BI users to directly utilize its benefits within their workspace. So first understand what is Git integration. Microsoft Fabric Git integration enables developers to seamlessly integrate their Git process into Power BI, allowing for backup, versioning, collaboration, and management of Power BI items. The integration is implemented at the workspace level and it enables developers to have complete visibility and control over their item. So our next focus will be on what are the benefits of Git integration. As I said earlier, the first benefit is version control. How it can be helpful? So when we talk about Git integration, it enables developers to track the changes made in their Power BI items. Like if there is any changes in Power BI report or the dataset, it will reflect within the Git, and it provides a comprehensive version history, and it enables easily identification and revert to the previous version of your work. The second benefit is collaboration. When we integrate our Power BI workspace, or let's suppose when we integrate with Git, the Git branch facilitates seamless team collaboration by allowing developers to work on different branches and make independent changes, and later we can merge all their work when it's ready or when the final changes are made. So the next thing is what are the supported items in Git integration. So Git integration in Power BI currently supports reports, paginated reports and dataset, excluding the post dataset live connection, and we can say the dataset which are connected through direct query. And if there are any unsupported item available within the workspace, so the Git directory will still remain connected to the workspace, but the unsupported items cannot be saved or synced, and they can appear in the source control section, which we will see later further in this video, but the changes made within those items cannot be committed or updated. So before moving to the practical part, there are few prerequisites for Git integration which we will discuss here. So mainly there are two prerequisites which need to be in place before we integrate our workspace with Git. First, you need to have an active Azure account registered to the same ID which you are going to use in Power BI services, and within that Azure account you should have access to an existing repository in that Azure DevOps account. Second requirement is you should have either Power BI premium license or you should have access to the Fabric capacity. So let's see how we can connect our workspace to the Git. So here this is my Power BI services account, and as you can see here I have enabled the Fabric trial for my account. So first what I have to do is I have to create a workspace. I will name it as a demo workspace. So my first requirement is satisfied that I have a Fabric enabled workspace. My second requirement is that I should have an active Azure DevOps account. So here I have my Azure DevOps account, and you can see here I am using the same ID which I have used in Power BI services, and here I have created a demo project, and within this I have the access to the repository which contain a dataset which is named as demo project level 1, and a report is also available here. We have already seen this how we can get this in our previous video of Power BI desktop developer mode. So we will get back to the Power BI services, and here what you have to do is you have to click on this icon, and then you have to go to workspace setting. Within the workspace setting you got the option of Git integration. Here what you have to do is you have to connect your Azure DevOps account. To do this, simply you have to select the organization, and here you will automatically get the name of your Azure DevOps account. So you have to select it, then you have to select the project. Right now, as we have seen, there is only one project is available. If there are multiple projects, you can select on which project you want to work. So I will select the demo project, then I will select the repository, and right now I have created two branch within my repository. As you can see here, I have two branches, one is practice branch and one is main branch. So it is recommended as a best practice to create an additional branch and make changes in this, and once the changes is finalized, then you can merge it in the main branch. So here I will select the practice branch, and I will simply click on connect and sync. Once I click on connect and sync, the content will get synced to my Power BI workspace. As you can see here, I get the dataset, and it will take some time to get load, and you will get both the report and dataset within your workspace. And when you check the Git status, all both the report and the dataset is synced. So after connecting with the Git account, you can simply work here with the report. You can make any kind of changes you want. Let's suppose I have this report and I edit this report by deleting any visual, and later I saved this, and when I go back to my workspace, what happen is within this source control option I get an update. As you can see here, I got the update, and I can see status. So there are mainly four kind of status. Right now, as you can see, it is modified status because I have made a change within my report, and the status is also showing as uncommitted. So to make the change, I have to select the report name, and then I have to add a message. I will add it as deleted visual, and simply what I have to do is I have to click on commit. Let's suppose the changes is made within the desktop, and it will get reflected within your Git account. Then again you will get this option within source control, and you get the changes within the update section, and from here you can update your workspace, and all the changes will be synced within your workspace. So simply I have to click on commit, and by doing this the changes will be made within my Git repo. So when you go back to your Azure DevOps account and check the history section, you can see here we got the update that a visual is deleted, and this change is made by Anmol Malpi. The benefit of this is, let's suppose someone else is also working on this report, so when he or she made the change, it will reflect here, and the other person is aware of what are the changes made within the report. So this is all about Git integration in Power BI and how we can connect our Power BI workspace with Azure DevOps account. Thank you for watching the video.